How much you want to bet you start making money immediately after watching this video? Money like this. Now, if I were to give you one of those checks, what would you do with it? Pay some bills, buy a new car, take a real vacation. Whatever that is, get ready to do it, because you have been selected out of thousands of people to own a website that is making millions of dollars every month like clockwork, risk-free, guaranteed. And I'm so confident that you will make money with it that I am going to bet $500 on your success. That's right. If you follow the steps and you don't make any money, I'll pay you $500 right out of my pocket. No questions asked. But you'll need to act quickly, because when the spots run out, that offer will be off the table. So don't leave. Watch this video until the very end. If you click out of this page, you forfeit your spot. We'll give your millionaire website and $500 to the next person in line. Did you know that if you made $2,740 every day, you'd be making $1 million per year? Did you know that if you're making $1 million a year, you'd have enough money to live here, drive around in this, travel around the world, and still have over $500,000 sitting in your bank account? Now let me ask you, what do you think it'll take to make that $2,740 per day and become a millionaire? What would you say? 10 hours worth of work? 5 hours worth of work? 1 hour worth of work? What if I told you you can do it in just a few easy steps that you can master before this time next week? Would you believe me? These guys thought I was crazy too, and then it happened.
Amazing. The training was really easy to follow, and my first month, I made over $6,300. So far, my best day ever, $359. I'm still blown away. Thank you.
Last month, I made over $8,300. $8,300. I can't say thank you enough.
I made more than $3,200 in less than 45 days.
And I'm making about $330 a day part-time, and I've gone back to school.
I made over $1,578.22 in the first 2 weeks. I mean, that's more than I'd made in over 4 years of all the different things I've been trying.
Through the program, step by step, 45 days in, I've made a little over $8,000. So thank you, thank you.
6 weeks in, and I've made $4,800.
Just working part-time, sending emails, I'm making over $7,000 a month.
Those members have the secret to making $2,740 every day and becoming millionaires, and the key is simple. Real products, ethical products, with high satisfaction rates that pay a commission anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 at a time, along with a website that helps you sell them every single day. Think about this for a second. You're getting a profitable, ready-to-go, money-making website that would cost tens of thousands of dollars if you tried to build it yourself, and is turning average people with no online experience into millionaires. You won't ever have to do anything technical, never create a product, never build a website, or even pick up the phone to close a sale. I'm already doing that, and I will continue to do that for you. All you need to do is follow a few proven steps to send people to the website I give you, and I'll do the rest. It really is that simple. And if it doesn't work, I'll pay you $500. Where else can you find a deal like that? It's a no-brainer. And when you activate your millionaire website, nothing is held back. I give you everything. My proven sales funnel that's generating millions of dollars a month on complete autopilot with everything I just mentioned in place. I have products, upsells, million-dollar follow-up sequences, relationship builders, webinars, and high-ticket back-end products, all set up and already making money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Plus, to help you start making money even faster, I've hired you your very own millionaire mentor to get on the phone with you and walk you through the simple steps of the system. That's right, a mentor just for you that has made millions with this very system to educate you, to keep you on track, and to hold your hand until you're a millionaire and beyond. He or she will motivate you to go beyond what you thought possible. And sometimes